Hi everybody, it's Jeannie. Thanks for tuning in. Wanted to go over one of my favorite products, but they expanded, which is awesome. So what I'm talking about is the Australian Gold Mineral Lotion SPF 50. This is one of my faves. What I like about it is I use it during the winter and the summer. But the thing is when I'm tanning, it's a little light. So I just kind of blend it in with whatever I have at the time, maybe a darker foundation or whatever, or I'll wear it under makeup. But I really like to wear it by itself because it has kind of a really sheer coverage, which is what I like sometimes. But the SPF it just works so well, and it just is water resistant for 80 minutes, and it's very nice. I love it. It's tinted. I guess I should tell you that. So it's a tinted sunscreen, but they came out with more colors, which smart idea. So they have a light, medium, and dark. So now what I'm really excited about is this one is light. I always have so much left over. And the reason why I have so much left over is because I don't use as much of it, the original, during the summer, because I need something darker for my face from using the Sunless Tan. But now what I've done is I've gotten the darker one, and it's, well, I tried the tester out, this one. I just bought it today. So it's sealed. So I'm going to take the seal off and show you that I got the dark. I guess one option would be, if you don't have the original one, would be to get it, you know, depending on your skin color. Like what I would do if I didn't have the original, I would probably get a medium. But what I did was I got the dark, and let me swatch the dark for you. So it's a very dark color. Could be, definitely wouldn't match my skin tone, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to, now I can use my original, and that's the original, so it's pretty light. And I'll add a little bit of the dark to it, mix it up, and match my own skin color. It's kind of a DIY tinted sunscreen, whatever works. I have nothing on right now, no makeup, nothing, but whatever. It's a very matte tinted sunscreen, very matte, so you could put on a really nice emollient moisturizer underneath and put this on over it, and it just kind of will matte up whatever you have there. But the formula is gorgeous. It's very silky and like a silky matte. The coverage is light, but I love the finished product when all is said and done. So if you have the original and you want to darken it up a little bit, that's a great idea. Just get a darker one, or maybe a medium one, whatever works. Medium, oops, could work also, of course, depending on your skin color. And also I wanted to tell you that another sunscreen that I bought, and I just bought it because I wanted to try it, is the CeraVe Hydrating Sunscreen 30 SPF, and this is also tinted, and I heard some really good reviews about it. So I did try this one, and I have to say, although a lot of people were saying it was very hydrating, I didn't find it to be hydrating. I found it to have also a pretty matte, really nice finish. This is the color. It only comes in one color, the tinted. This is for the face. So if you can see that, you might not, it might be hard, I don't know, but yeah, that's the color, and it's very sheer transparent color. I think they even say it's very lightweight, non-greasy. It's a sheer tint, so that makes a lot of sense. But when I put it on, it didn't, there was some coverage, and it felt really good. It dried quickly, and I liked it. I liked it too. I mean, it was a good comparison to the Australian Gold. My husband's cooking, so anyway, I liked all of them. Just wanted to give you some ideas. Thank you for tuning in. This is a quick one, and next time I will try it on my face, but for now I just wanted to let you in on a little bit. So if you like my video, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you have any questions, please post them down below. I will read them, I will answer them, and I will also try whatever you want me to. And thank you. Bye.